Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to start your VW Tiguan when the battery is dead. First, gather your jumper cables and find a donor vehicle with a working battery. Park both cars close enough for the cables to reach, but not touching. Make sure both vehicles are turned off and in park or neutral. For safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves before you begin. Now, let's connect the cables. First, attach one red positive cable clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Tiguan battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the donor battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Tiguan's engine block, away from the battery itself. With the cables properly connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows some charge to transfer to your Tiguan's battery. After this period, try to start your Volkswagen Tiguan. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a couple more minutes and try again. Once your Tiguan starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of how you connected them. After successfully jump-starting your Tiguan, it's important to keep it running. Drive your car for at least 20 minutes to allow the alternator to recharge the battery sufficiently. For long-term peace of mind, consider having your battery and the entire charging system tested by a professional mechanic. Also, for other great deals, and to bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.